All Progressives Congress APC Presidential Campaign Council Edo State Chapter don't describe the removal of APC Presidential Campaign billboards for different locations for Benin City as barbaric and irresponsible. Lucky Imas will be the coordinator of APC Presidential Campaign Council for Edo, and told this one for the press briefing when she left for Benin City. Imas when talk say APC don't pay fully for the billboards, constantly allege say Edo State government now give order to remove the billboards.
We called this press conference to address some disturbing matter that is bothering us in Edo State. A few weeks ago, we engaged the services of Print Options Nigeria Limited. Print Option has been authorized by local government and state government in Edo State to rent out some billboard spaces in Edo State. Consequently, we approached them and they gave us 4 locations. One at Agbo Road at Ikpoba Hill, that is by First Upstairs. The second one is at Sapele Road by Kada Plaza. The third was Airport Road by Golf Course Road Junction. And the fourth at this time was at Uselu Lagos Road by Wasota, not too far from the Catholic Church at Uselu. So we engaged them, and they agreed to displace the PCC campaign billboard in Edo State, specifically Tinubu and Shetima campaign slogans. We paid. With me is a copy of the receipt that we paid this company fully for the billboards. And we also paid separately for the printing, and prior to installation, final payment were made. These boards were printed and they were installed to the admiration of many. To our greatest surprise, a few days later, about 3-4 days later, these 4 billboards in the middle of the night were brought down by the Edo State government. Information reaching us that His Excellency, my brother, the Governor of Edo State, has instructed that no other billboard will be allowed to stand in the vicinity of Edo State, specifically in Benin City, other than that of PDP. The purpose of this press conference is to draw the attention of the great people of Edo State in particular and Nigerians in general to this act of Mr. Governor. This assignment we gave to the printing company, who was authorized by various local government council area, for 3 of them now to be precise, to market on their behalf this billboard. And we paid for it. Despite all this, they went and I brought down the 4 billboards bearing Tinubu Shetima campaign information. We are calling this press conference to bring to the attention of the people of Edo State in particular and Nigerians in general, to let them know that we as a law-abiding party people, we are not accepting this barbaric and irresponsible act on behalf of the state government. And we have also contacted the company that received this money from us to again prepare and install those billboards in their various locations. They have agreed, but you know we have to pay for printing again. That printing cost, in due course, we shall ask the state government for the refund. But in the interim, we have asked the printer to prepare this billboard immediately after the holiday to install them. And we'll do everything peacefully to ensure that they are installed.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC and your power. Once I'm giving the politicians on election day.